Alright guys, so this is about 4:20 thereabout. Okay, and I'm checking up some markups I actually did earlier. So I'm looking to go short on AUDUSD, but not now, during either the London section or the New York section, depending on when time and price comes together. Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you guys one simple trick on how I mark up market structure. I think this actually changed my trading and gave me a more clearer view of what the market is doing, and then eradicated a whole lot of indicators I make use of. Alright, so just hold on while I show you, while I flip my camera to the other side so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright, so this is the AUDUSD price chart. As you can see here, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys a simple trick which I use in marking up market structure. I showed this to my mentees alone, alright, but let me just share with you how I do this. Okay, so I just start off from the weekly time frame. So I'm going to use alternate then arrow on my Mac to reset the size of my screen. Alright, then after which, what I'm going to do next is normally I change it to the line chart, then watch out for market structure. But now what I do is I pull up this horizontal ray, then I put it on the high, and then then I'll also hold down shift key, so it's going to be straight. Now just watch the way this is. It's slanty, but once I press down the shift key, it's going to be straight. Okay, you can see it. If I remove my hand from the shift key, okay, this is the shift key, it's going to be straight. Okay, so I'm just going to drop a horizontal ray there, and then I'm going to duplicate it, which I'm going to use command here, and then I'll drop it to this high here. Okay, so I use this to know the condition of the market, what kind of market I'm actually trading. Am I trading a bullish market, or am I trading a bearish market? Alright, so let's look at this. Is the weekly time frame, like I said. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking at this move, the kind of market I am in currently. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is a low point here. Alright, so I'll be marking this up with a low, capital letter, low, lower low, or let me use higher high, since this is, I'm actually going to an uptrend. Okay, higher high, and then sorry, higher low, and then this is higher high. Okay, so just watch the way I'm going to be trailing this. Okay, so I'm going to take this from here to this structural point. Okay, from this point here to this structural point is one move. Okay, then from this point here, I'm going to be moving this higher low to this point here where we had a break of market structure, because this is a break of market structure. So now this is now the new higher high, while this is the new higher low. So the moment this get violated, which is somewhere around here, okay, the market broke throughout this higher low here. So now this becomes a new lower low, and then that's here becomes a new lower high. Okay, just follow me. I know you may not really get it all at once, but try and save this video so you watch it over and over again. Alright, so this is a new structural lower low, okay, which was caused by this move. And then if you go down to a lower time frame, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm just trying to get the direction of the market, which I'm going to show you how I'm going to get into a trade setup pretty soon. Alright, so now this is a lower low. You see the market did not break this lower low up until this candle here. This candle broke it. So now this area here becomes a new lower high. You can see it here, and then the market structure broke through it. This low here becomes a new higher low. Okay, a new higher low. It may not really make sense to you right now, but it's going to change your trading, and then this becomes a new higher high. Okay, and then you can see the market try to create what, a lower another higher low, which is going to break through this higher high, but it failed. Yeah, then the moment it failed, it caused what, a break of structure right here, which was as a result of, I'm not going to take account of this level here, but rather I'm going to take account of this level here, because this was the area where momentum build up that led to a break of market structure. Okay, so this is now the new lower high. Okay, and then this is the new lower low. All right, are you following me? Okay, so this is the new lower low that caused this break of structure. Then the market came back here, then did the pullback. Okay, though I was expecting a more deeper pullback, but this is more like a pullback. Yeah, so after that, the market created this low here. Okay, which was as a result of this impulsive move here. Okay, this impulsive move here that caused this break of structure ended here. The market retraced back into this area of interest. Okay, you can see it retested this level here, and then it's pushing down out of it. Okay, so now this, let me take this out, this now becomes the new what, lower high that caused a break of structure here, which led to this area here. Okay, so now so far so good, the market is bearish. Okay, so I'll take account that on the weekly time frame the market is bearish. I'll do the same thing for the daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame the same thing. Now I won't really take account of this current candle formation, because the market the candle just literally started forming. Okay, so what I'll do is the weekly and the daily, they are in sync together, both of them are in sync, but rather I'm going to take account of this area here. Why I'm actually working with the bodies, because the body of a candle closure gives more information than the wicks. Okay, though the wicks sometimes relate information, but the body is more significant than the wick. Okay, so this is what I do. I do it on the weekly, on the daily, and also on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so this way I get to see the direction of the market. Once I get a breakout, I wait for the area of interest. Okay, I'll do another video on area of interest. Okay, so I'll show you how to use simple break and retest strategies. It works like magic. Okay, it works like magic. Yeah, it's not something that will give you trade every single time if you're trading just one currency pair, but at least I have about 4 currency pairs on my watch list, so I take trades at random. You understand? I take trades at random. So yeah, that's literally it. Okay, that's literally it. So so you don't get to miss my next video, like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell icon. If you happen to see this video on TikTok, do how to follow also. Alright, and then I'll drop a continuation on this particular strategy. Drop in the comment section if you really want me to drop the continuation of the strategy. It's powerful, and I think it's going to be of help to the trading community. Goodbye.